Welcome, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, Nindies, Nintendo Switch owners, fellow Ludum Dare jammers. This is on the Daddy Dev. I'm just doing this kind of a quick video for my team, but I am going to post it on the channel. Anyway, I've finished finally the jump cycle, and it looks great. So what I've done here is I've actually put in three animations: the jump, the fall, and finally the landing. And unfortunately, I can't really slow it down. I don't think I can slow it down. At least I don't know how to. Playback, maybe. Nope, don't know how. So as you can see, it's kind of fast, but we can change that again in Godot 3. We can change each individual animation as I render it. I have been rendering the other jumps, or the other animations. Give you a quick preview of what those are. And what I will do later on is I will actually make a idiot's guide to animating in Blender and rendering for Godot 3. It might be a couple videos, might be 2 or 3, but again, this is mainly for my team, so you can know how the jump works. Let me stop one more time, play it really slow. Again, we have 3 animations. I have to separate them: the jump, the fall, and the landing. The other thing to note is that I'm probably gonna have to move this character down to render, or figure out how to best way to render it, because it's basically static rendering. Meaning, like, you know, the character is going to be animated in the engine. You don't necessarily need this jump. This is really for my team. Just to give you a quick preview where we're at. I think they've probably seen enough this video. This is why I love my team. Woo! Wait. The heck? Aw, there we go. That is an in-game engine actually rendered out to 2D, and he looks pretty cool. I'm liking him. Okay, so just wanted to show this out really quickly. Alright, insert catchphrase here. Hope to see you in the next video. It's probably going to be related to Ludum Dare. I will be doing other videos related to marketing, A/B testing, and how to build a rig in today's needed for like basic game deving stuff. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.